Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add arrows to your design and how you can add styles to it. So if you go to shapes and you see all here, there's a lot of options for arrows that you can choose from. I'm just going to select this one for an example. And as you can see, so far you can only make it go horizontally or vertically, but I want to kind of make an S shape, if you can see that. So I'm just going to go to line type and I'm going to select the elbowed one, and I can basically select this to make this elbowed arrow. I'm just going to copy and paste it again, and you can also make it into a curved arrow as well here, as you can see. You can also adjust the line ends of the arrows here, and you can also select the line type here and the line weight and stuff like that. And you can also select rounded end points to create dots as well. And you can again change the colors. So you can select this gradient one if you'd like to. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can add arrows and change the styles. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!